Hello, Christy, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website. I will be covering the website, the front page, some keyword and some content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have the click to call button at the top, the schedule an appointment button, and the contact us form. So that's really good, and links to the different services that your company provides. A little bit of an intro and brief intro to your company, and some testimonials and reviews, the badges that you have, and links to your social media accounts. So in general terms, it is a well laid out front page, and it has very relevant pictures, and it's very easy to navigate. In terms of the amount of content, right now it is sitting around 660 words. I had a look at two of your competitors for the HVAC segment. So we have Air Treatment Inc. They also have they also have a well laid out front page, perhaps not as friendly, I would say, as yours, and they are sitting around 648 words. And this guy, Sentry Air Inc. Well, I cannot select it. These guys have 391 words, so you definitely have a little bit more than theirs, but you are pretty much similar in terms of the amount of content. And the amount of content is important because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. So the sweet spot for Google is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. That's where your website will be optimized for Google. So if you add more content, so for example, you could add a little bit of a description of all of these services in here, and make sure that you are including those buyer intent keywords so that Google can start finding you for those keywords. I had a look in terms of the Google search. I came here to the Google search and I type in Plumbers Greensboro, North Carolina, and you already probably know that you are ranking at the top, so you are running Google guaranteed, so that's really good. You have the Google Business Profile here. You are ranking at the top, first position, and you're also ranking on the first page of the Google Organic Search. So you are probably getting a lot of traffic for the plumbing segment, revenue stream of your company. But I also came here and I type in HVAC contractor Greensboro, and I couldn't find you on the first page of Google. So let's have a look at this. This section, the Google Ads, are really good at driving traffic, so they can generate immediate leads, and you'll probably know this because of your plumbing leads. This section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank here, you need optimized pictures. The profile needs to be optimized in terms of the services, the categories. You need optimized pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories. That's what we call citations. Directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number need to be exactly the same as those on your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can grab one of these top 3 positions. And to rank here in the Google Organic Search, you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that your website is directing traffic. So there are 174 external websites that are directing traffic towards your website through 1,800 backlinks. If I have a look at Air Treatment Inc., these guys have 312 external websites, so a little bit more, directed traffic towards their website through 3,350 backlinks. And Sentry Air Inc., there are 55 external websites that are directing traffic towards theirs through 497 backlinks. So it's important to have a look at this backlink profile just to make sure that you not only have more, but you have quality backlinks. Because here the important thing is that those backlinks are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, because that's what's going to signal to Google that your website is an authority for that particular topic or search that users are performing. Now, in terms of content, your website is being found for 618 organic keywords. So I came here and I had a look at those. This view shows me what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing for that keyword. So you can see that you are actually ranking in top position for plumbing Greensboro. So that's really good. But when I type in HVAC and I filter out by HVAC Greensboro, North Carolina, the search volume is 400 and you're in position 43. So that's actually quite a lot of volume and traffic that you are missing on. If I have a look at air treatment, these guys are being found for 2,700 organic keywords. And I also, oh, I haven't done it. Let's have a look. HVAC Greensboro, this is one of those keywords. They're in the second position, so they were able to drive 56 visits to their website. So basically, what you want to do is that you want to identify what are those keywords that are related to the HVAC services, that are value intent keywords that have a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to target in your website so that Google, you can start ranking at the top, and you also want to build that backlink profile around those keywords so that you can rank at the top for the Google organic search and you can start attracting that traffic to your website. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to boost the traffic to your website, and in particular for the HVAC services or any other location that you want to target. And please also don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.